Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. In this video, we are going to see how we can create a purchase order in Fury. So with the help of that Fury tile or Fury application, how we can create a purchase order. So this is a Fury tile to create a purchase order. It looks almost same like we are creating a purchase order through GUI, but the UI is a little bit different, right? The fields and everything is same, but UI is a little bit different. So how to create that? Let me show you. And we just giving the supplier number here. So this is my supplier number, and different tabs are there. So we are just going to that org data. That's a mandatory field. So we are giving purchase org here. So MY01 is my purchase organization that I'm giving here. My purchase group 001, my company code, MAYV. So this field needs to be entered here. Yeah. Then here it is. This is item overview. So let me give these details here. Item overview, material number, then yeah. So just giving all these details. Material is mat 4542. So it's little bit lagging. Yeah. So here it is, mat 4542, and quantity, how much quantity we are ordering. Let's suppose 100 quantity we are ordering. Net price, let's suppose 100 INR. Delivery date, this is not a mandatory field, this is just optional. Then storage location. So I'm just giving a mandatory data here. Storage location, and just hit enter, right? Then it's just a warning that we can ignore, like price is this, material price is this one. It's fine, it's not a problem. We can check from here. So in GUI there is a icon for that, but here it's written. So you can just click on check. There's just a warning. The warnings we can just ignore. It's fine, no problem. And then we can just save it. Just save from here. So like that, purchase order is created. So here you can see purchase order is created. Like that, you can create a purchase order with the help of that Fury tiles or Fury app. The same purchase order you can see in a GUI also, right? So database, as database is same for both, so we can see that same purchase order in that GUI, as well as we can see that same purchase order in that Fury tile, right? So hopefully this is clear to you. And if you feel this value is valuable and add some value in your learning, please make sure to like this video. Please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, and please make sure to share this video in your SAP circle. So thank you. Thanks a lot. May God bless you all.